Question that everybody's asking, do we still love each other? Not really, no. Wagwan Subbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time?
And a long time.
Got Mr. Baby Chasey in the background here. As you can see, he's eating his spoon.
Yes.
When Daniel's trying to feed him, he needs to have a spoon in his own hand.
So I have two spoons, one to feed him and one so he can eat.
Yeah. So cause he like to feed himself too at the same time and chew.
But the food doesn't go in his mouth.
No, it go all over the place. He doesn't have any food at his disposal right now. Okay?
Well, I'm gonna give him some.
Yeah, look, he's banging the couch.
He's demanding food.
Me want food, sir. Me want food. Say, Dada, can I get some food? Can I get some food? Say, Dada, can I get some food? Alright guys, we are gonna get started in this video. Before we get started in this video, go ahead and smash the like button, go ahead and subscribe to be a part of the family because you know we're here for a good time.
And a long time. Guys, it's so early, I'm having breakfast.
Yeah.
We just kind of woke up.
We just woke up and said we
wanted
wanted this video for you guys, and yeah, we're gonna tell you, we're gonna touch a subject that after having Chase, it's a very touchy subject because a lot of people,
still alive.
Yeah, we're gonna find out later on in this video.
He's asking for some food, guys.
You want some food?
Want food?
You want some food?
So I have callaloo, dumpling, banana, and plantain.
Alright, that lame compared to mine.
Your own is lame.
Alright guys, I'm about to show you. Comment down below what you think I have down below right now. Comment down below right now what you think I have inside this box right here. What do you think? I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to knock it off because I really wanted ackee and saltfish and they didn't have any more. It done already. It was 9 o'clock in the morning, we get breakfast this morning.
But you know Jamaican breakfast is always like
really
like
early. It always sell out early.
Yeah.
Like if the door open at 8 o'clock, breakfast done by 9 o'clock. So I had to just settle what I could get, okay?
But he still loves this.
I love this, guys. If you guys know me by now, you guys should know what this is. I actually cook this, okay? Comment down below. I just gave it away. Comment down below right now, guys. 1, 2, 3, boom!
He has cabbage and corned beef.
And corned beef. But I don't know if you really can see the cabbage because I don't even know if you can see the corned beef because it's very scarce compared to the cabbage.
Me and Chase will be sharing our breakfast. I'm gonna give him some of this banana.
Yeah, so comment down below your favorite breakfast right now, guys, because my favorite breakfast would have to be actually stewed chicken.
They had stewed chicken.
Yeah, but I feel like I didn't want it at the moment.
Oh no, you want
it? Yeah. So stewed chicken and fried dumpling is my favorite.
Oh, you didn't show them your fried dumpling.
Oh, crap. You forget. Guys, so she had the last 2 fried dumplings and she asked me more and more. I said, boy. And then she's like, you know it's going to be like a 15-minute wait, right? I'm saying,
just give me the 2.
God, just give me the 2 you have. And me take 2 regular dumplings and busco and busco. And look there. Voila. A nice fried dumpling. This is really nice. Ones
Chad, it was like they're kind of small, but that's like the perfect size dumpling.
Okay, she's just eating. Okay, no problem. Alright, so I'm gonna dip into this right now, guys. As you can see, this really looks good. Not gonna lie, it smells good. As you know, Jamaican breakfast always shot.
Guys, we always want Jamaican breakfast, but we always wake up too late.
Too late. We always wake up too late. Daniel's feeding Chase right now, guys.
He wants to hold it himself. So when he takes that one, I take the other one. Nice. Try. Put it in your mouth.
Guys, you're probably wondering why we don't cook this. Why we just don't cook it. Sometimes you always want somebody else to cook it. And another thing, we're not good at cooking. That's not our expertise, okay?
And to get the callaloo, the nice callaloo, to get the thing, you have to go to the Jamaican supermarkets, and then by the time we finish picking up all the groceries,
lunchtime already.
It's lunchtime, so.
This shot, guys. Although you can eat Jamaican breakfast anytime round the clock, because we can eat ackee at night. Comment down below if you have ate ackee at night right now,
I
guys.
actually like breakfast at night.
Like, even like stewed chicken and dumpling, like at night time. Yo, you know what shot?
So stewed chicken is breakfast and dinner.
Yeah, you know what shot? Corned beef, just regular corned beef and fried dumpling. That shot.
I haven't tried like anything with corned beef. Do we still love each other?
So the question that everybody's asking, Do we still love each other? Not really, no. Unless you know. I joke. Of course we love each other. I mean, I can't go a day without thinking about my baby. Baby Chase and baby right here. My lovely baby. Yeah, of course we love each other. We can't stop loving each other. I think we got closer when we had Chase.
But it's like it's a lot different.
It's a lot of different. There's a lot of adjustments. Like
it's like you have to get used to the new adjustment. Like
no, everything.
Like I was telling Chad this morning that he's not the baby anymore. Because normally I would like he'd be like, choose something for me to wear or find something for me, and I'm like, you're not the baby anymore.
It's funny, but you really have to adjust to things because now like everything is on a schedule. Like even down to you know what I mean. Like,
oh my God.
Thing, you actually have to schedule it nowadays. There's honestly, you really have to do schedule stuff like that.
You have to go in open windows.
Yeah, and you always have to be spontaneous because you know, although you're tired, because there's a lot of times you're tired, and yeah, we just no watch that. We don't watch that.
No.
I mean, no, we don't watch that. I mean, we just have fun and try to enjoy life and enjoy Chase because I think Chase is what grows us together more.
Chase is wondering what he's eating.
Yeah. What are you eating? That's banana. Say banana.
He had banana once before.
Banana. Say banana. Guys, he's eating big people food now. Like he's a big man now. And you can literally cook him own food soon.
No, you don't even cook your own food. So yeah.
Hold on there. Everybody's probably watching this right now. I'm saying, Chad, why you not such a dumpling or nothing like that?
Oh my God.
Daniel's pet peeve, well not really pet peeve, but this she feels bothered by it because me personally, I don't eat like regular people do eat. Me eat like single, everything single.
So he will, but the thing is, I understand people like that. Like they probably like eat the
so basically
one thing at a time, right?
Yeah.
Instead of mixing it. But
yeah, like basically
he eats the dry things by itself. Like they need a little moisture from something else. Like
basically right now I eat the cabbage and corned beef by itself. That's it. I'm not gonna eat the dumpling last. I'm dead serious. And the plantain I'm gonna eat single like that. I would mix it with the cabbage. But the dumpling, I know the dumpling is supposed to go with the cabbage and eat at the same time, but I'm not like that. That I can tell you. Perfect.
So by the time he finished eating, him choking because everything choking him because him eating a dry dumpling by itself.
Not like plantain the shot though, G. Guys, comment down below your favorite type of plantain. Like, do you like it moisty like this?
Moisty? It's moist.
Moisty. Do you like it moisty like this? Or do you like it when it's dry, like really dry out? Like, me no know.
I like it in between.
Me not like it when it's dry. Me not like it when it's dry. Me like it like this. Me like it nice and sweet. You never asked for this, so why are you coming in here? Mom.
Stop! I need to test it.
Okay.
Make sure it's okay for you.
No problem. So now back to the question is do we still love each other? Yes, of course we always will love each other. I don't think not a day goes by we not love each other. Even if we do have a fallout or something like that, I think I will still love Daniel up to this day, and yeah. Yeah, dada. You better say dada before mom.
No.
Guys, I think it's coming.
Or
guys,
it's here,
I
but
think
we're gonna reveal it.
Yeah, I think it's coming. I think Chase is starting to talk, guys, and we're just waiting for the moment to catch it on camera. So it might be during this video, so just go and watch the video.
I think you just have to like, it's like an understanding, no? It's like you have to understand, like half of the time my attention is with Chase, like how I'm pulling in my hair right now.
And then half of my attention is me and her, you know? Like we actually have to schedule things like Saturdays. Alright, so Fridays I actually go to play Fortnite. I play a lot of Fortnite on Friday night with my friends and stuff like that. And yeah, I even play with subscribers and stuff like that as well.
So if you play Fortnite
on Friday night, Saturday night, like which is Saturday, in the whole day of Saturday, we actually spend every time together. Like we do nothing else. We spend time. We make sure every time we lock off phone, everything get locked off.
phone?
Sometimes the phone get locked off, but we do try to like schedule our time together. Cause I feel like if we don't do that, we're not gonna be close like that again. Basically, Saturday night it's family time. What we'll do is like watch a movie together, like what we're gonna watch this weekend. We already planned out, so we're gonna watch Atypical.
Yeah, so like we have like a Netflix series that we'll watch or something.
Yeah, we'll watch that, or actually go to the movies, which we find a new little thing that we want.
So now we can go to the drive-through because it's so hard with Chase, and I know a lot of people do this. They like a date night and stuff. You know, sometimes it's hard because you don't have anybody to watch Chase sometimes, or you know, we're not really comfortable leaving him with anybody like a stranger.
That's another thing. We're very paranoid. Like honestly, because I don't know if it's our first child, guys. We are very paranoid. As you can see, he's leaving the place right now. Chase has left the building. Chase has left the building. Chase has left the building. Chase, you left the building, G. But yeah, so basically.
So you know, there's only select people.
You want the dumpling?
That will leave
you
Chase
want the
with.
dumpling? Guys, he's trying to grab the dumpling.
So yeah, there are only select people that we would leave Chase with, and
like basically, it's my mother. I will leave him with Drew for like only an hour. And that's another thing. People ask if
Drew's so funny. Drew's like, I used to take care of Chad. Why you guys don't trust me to take care of Chase?
Another thing I've seen some people comment was, does Drew ever get to touch the baby? Of course. It's just that you never see it on camera. And when, like, even when we're doing videos sometimes, Drew is actually holding Chase.
Yeah, because like right now, Chase is in everything.
And as you can see, Chase will touch anything.
And everything.
Once he can get his hand upon it, he's touching it.
Especially the dogs.
Yeah. And so Drew does hold Chase. So that's another thing we want.
And when he comes home, he's always playing with him.
Yeah, he's always playing with him and stuff like that. But leaving Chase now with Drew is a different topic. Like, that's another thing, because you know, it's like you leave with mommy because mommy has been through
like 3 kids.
Yeah, the kids and stuff like that already. So Drew no experience in that department.
Drew said he has experience.
Drew don't have no experience.
We're going to test it out.
Taking care of a Chase. Comment down below if you guys want to see Drew take care of Chase
for 24 hours.
For 24 hours. Comment down below right now. Because we want to see. I know you guys want to see me eat the dumpling. Me know. Because it just there right now. And just
you're going to choke.
Guys, dumpling. Guys, comment down if we want a dumpling challenge. If we want to see us do a dumpling challenge.
Somebody has escaped.
Yeah, as you can see, we have a prisoner escaped. And he's climbing, guys.
He's going everywhere.
Hey, you gonna say bye to them?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Guys, he's so funny. Alright guys, we love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We got more videos coming soon to a city near you.
Tomorrow, basically.
Basically tomorrow. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and subscribe right now. Be a part of the family. And Chaddy from planting. Nothing wrong with that. Because
it's called love.
It's called love. We share.
Giving planting.
I haven't touched my fried dumpling yet. But
oh my god! And I wanted a piece.
That's no love right there. Okay? We're gonna leave it like that. Thank you guys for love and support. Again, we can't say this enough. We are going to do notification shout out time.
First notification goes to Tasha Bracklin.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over there and hit top right here. Second notification shout out goes to
J. William.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shout out goes to
Razina Eunice.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification notification boom bang bang, notification Chasey, notification DC fam, go ahead and comment down below right now, guys. Subbies as well. And yeah, you will be a part of the family of the shout out team, okay?
We love you.
We love you and thank you guys for your love and support. Again, we can't say this enough. We always say it every day, because we mean it. Thank you. We are out. Peace.